So hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth setting in our Technophone friends. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you connect your Bluetooth speaker with your Technophone friends. You want to connect guys your speaker. So friends you can connect, and guys now let's see how to connect Bluetooth speaker in our Technophone. In this video I will show you. So first of all guys we will on guys our phone setting to connect guys Bluetooth speaker. So we will on guys first of all guys our speaker, and guys now you can see your more connection settings and tap here, and guys click on your Bluetooth setting guys. And guys in your Bluetooth guys you can see guys this Bluetooth icon. So guys click on, press on guys your Bluetooth. So first of all guys click on your Bluetooth. So I will click on, then guys on your Bluetooth, and guys refresh it. After on guys you can see guys your speaker name. So I have got the JBL speaker. So I will tap here to connect, then it will connect after 4 and 5 seconds. Then as you can see active this sound guys. So guys it has connected with our Technophone, and guys now you can use while listening song like in your Technophone guys. So like that guys you can use your Bluetooth speaker. So are your friends have understood how to connect a speaker Bluetooth speaker with Technophone? That's it guys, thanks for watching, bye.